how to find your store dates and time zone settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it. First open your browser and now once you're here, all you need to do just go to settings and then scroll down until you find here date and time, or you can just type here dates and you will find it. And as you see here, you can find date settings. Now you can manage anything you want here. That's it, just click on it and change it and then click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.